EMC standards impose limitations on the amount of noise a device can put back out into the AC grid. This applies to virtually all AC connected devices, from industrial machinery to medical devices, and from commercial equipment such as ATMs to smaller white goods such as coffee makers. KEMET's GTX series of single-phase filters use an optimized and patented internal structure to deliver excellent noise attenuation in a small and lightweight package. The GTX series uses a nanocrystal core to achieve its small size. Measuring just 75 by 44 by 25 millimeters, KEMET's GTX filters are 20% to 60% smaller than competitive filters using ferrite cores, and the GTX series provides superior attenuation performance. The filters are rated for up to 250 volts AC at 50 or 60 Hz, and they're available with current ratings ranging from 6 to 30 amps. The series includes multiple Class Y capacitor combinations that address different frequencies and support various inverter topologies. These combinations include options with Class Y capacitors on both the input and the output. The compact and lightweight GTX series filters can operate from -25 degrees C to +55 degrees C. They have UL, CUL, and TÜV approvals and are ROHS compliant. For more information, visit KEMET.com.